portions of the Kenai River today, and we are about to get rid of some bird cherry trees. The Kenai Watershed Forum did a survey in 2020, and we found 6 populations of European bird cherry growing between the Cooper Landing Bridge and the Resurrection Pass Trailhead. So today we're going to go and take them out.
Cherry branch. You can see kind of the reddish color of the stems. They have the little finely serrated football-shaped leaves with the 2 little dots at the base of the leaf. Here on the Kenai River, this European bird cherry tree was treated just about 4 weeks ago, and we can see here that about 75–80% of the tree's leaves have browns and are dying. So we're just kind of waiting for the rest of it to go. We're here checking on it, pulling our signs that we placed earlier, our 10% efficacy signs. Yeah, things are looking good.
We are hopeful that our efforts at early detection and rapid response will prevent the further spread of European bird cherry along the banks of the Kenai River. A special thanks to all our funders, partners, and volunteers.